First, open Canva in your web browser. On the Canva homepage, select the website design type to create a new project. Now it's time to design your first page. Click Elements from the left panel. Search for a background that matches your birthday theme. You can also open Photos and choose a background image you like. Right-click the image and select Set Image as Background. Next, click Text. Choose a text style or add a heading. Type your birthday message. Resize the text. Move it to the center of the page. Change the font, color, and size to match your design. Next, click Elements again. Search for Animated GIF. Open the Graphics section. Choose an animated GIF that you like. Place it below your text and resize it. Now, let's create a button. Press R on your keyboard to insert a rectangle. Move it to the bottom of the page. Click Text and type Click to Open. Place the text inside the rectangle. Increase the font size. Round the rectangle corners. Change the button color to match your theme. Your first page is now complete. Next, duplicate the page by clicking Duplicate Page. On the second page, change the heading to something like, "Are you ready for a birthday surprise?" Add buttons such as Yes or Of course. Continue duplicating pages and customize each one with new text, photos, animations, and buttons until your birthday website is complete. To make the website interactive, you'll need to link the buttons. Select the button on the first page. Click the link icon. Choose the next page from the list. If the button shows an underline, remove the underline style. Repeat the same steps for every button on every page. Each button should open the correct page. After linking everything, click Preview. Test every button to make sure the website works correctly. If everything looks good, click Publish Website. Then click Publish. Canva will generate a website link. Finally, copy the website link and share it with the birthday person. They can open the website on a computer or mobile phone and enjoy your interactive birthday surprise. That's it. This is how you can create an interactive birthday website in Canva for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.